He's very naughty. Oh, also cheeky. Oh, you are cheeky. No. Okay, you are not cheeky. He's very naughty still. Okay, today we will learn hand abacus. It's very easy to do. It's like magic in your head or in your brain. It's very easy. I will show you. Okay, my father will say some numbers and I will do the hand abacus. So let's get started.
1,
1,
2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
6,
6, 7,
7,
8.
Stop! Stop! How to do this is, if you can't do like this, you know it's very tricky to do. So we will do this finger instead. It's like a dog, you know. Okay, and start from 8.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 29, 30, okay, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
Hi, Dad.
Right.
Okay.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99.
Okay, friends. Do you know about 99? 99, you can only do 99 with the hand abacus. Because 99 is the one number to do 9. Okay, you can't make 100. You need to use your foot for that. Okay, this is my abacus, right? So, and this is my brother's abacus. He likes it a lot. My abacus has black sticks and my brother has white ones. See? And these, I don't know what is this. These are reds. And you know my brother one? Black and cream color. I will say you a secret. I have water paint. My father brought that for me. I love it so much. I painted some, but my brother was and always fluent. You know my brother is naughty and he will make a mess with the whole room. You are a cheeky monkey. Go. So, this is the end of the video. So, bye bye friends. See you in the next video.